Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In today's video, we will be learning how to lock photos on iOS 18. To lock photos on iOS 18, first of all, go ahead and open up the Photos app from your app drawer. Once you tap open the Photos app, go ahead and select the photo you want to lock. Press and hold the photo, and in the pop-up menu appearing at the bottom, click on Hide. In the pop-up, click on Hide Photo to confirm. Soon after you do that, you will be able to hide the selected photo. To find the hidden photo, from your Photos app, scroll all the way down and go to Hidden option under Utilities. Use your Face ID to view the album, and you will then be able to see all of your hidden photos on the Hidden section. You will need to use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to access the hidden photos. So that is how you easily lock photos on iOS 18. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.